Hi everyone, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a fun project share, and this is altering of Dollar Tree items, and I am so excited to come on and share what I've created. I've been really having fun altering these easily available, cheap, raw wooden items that are in our dollar stores and our craft stores, and you just have to really just jazz it up and make it something gorgeous. And I'm so happy with how this came out. This is a simple little box, and I think this was like just a inspirational quote inside, but when I saw it at first I was like, I knew I wanted to make a shadow box. I've never made one of these, and this is my first one, but I'm really loving how this came out. So I did originally paint this all in pink, and then I thought that the pink was a little bit too pink, so I did kind of distress it with white pink on the side to give it a little bit more of a vintagey feel, and less pink. So yeah, I love how this came out. In the top, I just took some beautiful mint Hobby Lobby trim to give it like a roof look. And then I put some snowflakes, wooden button snowflakes, and then I put some jemmies on top of that to give it a little bit of that cohesive look with the pink and mints. I did go around the edges with different varying sizes of the Michaels bling. I mean, I have so much of these, so I thought it would be perfect to use it up and just kind of like, jazz this bad boy up. This top piece here is a resin snowflake, and I just put a little pink flower jemmy on top. This is a piece from Maggie Holmes. I believe this is the confetti collection. I forget exactly, but I did put this down only because the colors went so well. And then I used the thickers from the last year's collection, from the crepe paper collection, and I just put Holly Jolly. And I love how that came out. I put little pink little ribbons on the side, and you can't really see it from the back, but I have glitter like snow all around the edges of the inside. You can kind of see it from here. I have random pom-poms. I have this little resin snowflake with a pink heart. I kind of put this on, and then I put this banner on, so you can't really see it, but it's all there. I did lay the back with a Minte Sweetest Christmas Collection paper and the Christmas tree with the beautiful peppermints and the poinsettias. And then I did lay some of that kind of like Halloween, I don't know what they call that, but it's like a spider webby kind of thing that they sell in Dollar Tree, and I kind of laid it out because I really like the texture of it, and it kind of looked like snow. I did alter this little pink Christmas tree. This is a nutcracker from the Hobby Lobby stickers, I believe from last year. This little Tim Holtz deer, put a little poinsettia. I put some layered wood. I altered these as well. I Nouveau glittered everything on those little wood veneer pieces, and then laid a little present down. And I figured that my pal could use this for a decor piece. And this is something that you can pull out every year, and I hope she loves it. I love it, and I may create one for myself next year, but I needed to find inspiration, and I love how this came out. Not bad for my first shadow box, right? All the details and layerings. And then we went a different route. So I have this little sled here, and I wanted to show you this ornament that I created first. I created like almost like a shadow box like scene. This is actually using an ornament from the Dollar Tree. So there's a bag of ornaments, and there's probably about 6 to 8 in a bag, and they are these plastic cookie cutters. And I love the shape of these, and I figured, hey, why not alter these and make a fun ornament for my swap that they could use or hang up on their tree. And I took this really fun baby kind of like soft yarn, and I did line the inside with a paper, and then I took the deepest part of the ornament and I just made a little scene. So again, I put that little spider web over here. It does give it that soft snowy feel. some Christmas trees, and I just layered them up. That little deer, just because it's so cute and perfect for these kind of scenes. I have a little sticker in the back that says fa la 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 la, and then I just glued on some foam snowflakes that they sold at the Dollar Tree just to give it that little snowy vibe. And on the back, it's fairly simple. It's just the back of the double-sided paper, but I just put a little thickers over here that says joy. I did line the back with some pearls to finish the back, and then on the top I did put some beads, just so when it's hanging on the tree, it's super cute. And yeah, I hope my pal loves it. I mean, these are all handmade with love, literally, and I hope she loves it. And this is my little sled that I created. I purchased this sled for $1, probably even less, at AC Moore, and I'm sad to hear that they are closing. They were my go-to shop, and they were so close to my house, so I'm so sad. But you know, there are other craft stores, so I'm not gonna lose sleep. But this, oh, let me just take these up. These are such a cute and fun project to totally alter and make it your own. I mean, this was just a plain sled, sleigh, and I blinged it out. I painted it, blinged it out, cut some paper, stitched it, and I think that it came out super cute. I should have probably lined the insides, but yeah, it wasn't the easiest to fussy cut the paper to measure exactly. I'm not the best at that, but again, I went with the Michaels bling all around because who doesn't have enough of the bling? And it just adds that really gorgeous element. This is a wreath that I created with a Tim Holtz movers and shapers die, and I just layered it up. You could see that there's like 4 different layers here with the pom-pom, but from the back, again, this is a fun little decor piece. I did use the Sweetest Christmas Mente collection again, and I love the colors in this collection. I did add some faux snow, and this is the Eileen's glitter snow, only to give it more of a realistic, you know, like sleigh-like feel. And then this is a little embellishment that I created. I did use a Tim Holtz snowflake rosette, and I did go around with a little of that Eileen's glitter snow. This is a really fun flower die that I just recently purchased from Allie. I have a wooden snowflake here that I did glitter up, and then another little plastic snowflake that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and then I added this little gemmy on top to just finish it off. Just little decorations on the side. I really kept it simple and minimal, only because I wanted this to be a decor piece for my pal and for them to use it yearly in their craft room. And I just wanted to put some goodies in here only because it would be plain, just to send it off. So I did add my Christmas butterflies that I showed in a previous video and my handmade ornament. So this is ready to go. This is ready to go for my future swap. And that is it for my project share, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you find inspiration, and I hope everyone had a happy and healthy holiday. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.